Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm TaylorAnne.
And I'm LoriAnne.
And together we are MADCURLS. And welcome to another MADCURLS video. In today's video, we are finally going to tackle our product section. I guess sections. Yeah, I guess the products that are like in the house, because we have, you guys know there's like products in the house and we have like bins outside of products. So these are the products that are in the house and now there's way too many products over here, so we need to clear them out.
Yes.
Because sometimes like I'm like, oh, I want this product and I'll go out to the bin and get it, and I've been slowly bringing products from the bin in here, but now like it's just way too many products and I keep reaching for the same stuff.
And like a carton ago, you said you were going to just have it there just for that moment and you were going to bring it down afterward, and it's been here like months later. Girl,
bless it. So let's show you guys what we're working with first of all. Hold on. All right, so here's what we are working with. These tiers were bought from IKEA, just so we could each have one to store our stuff. And now, like, I barely know who. I know, this is kind of like interchanged. Yeah. So bust it. This needs to be cleared out. And then this, we took a laundry basket and filled it up with products. I don't know how. I don't know how that happened.
So there's a missing laundry basket.
This pink thing was supposed to be yours, or was yours. Yes. And then I took it, and like this was supposed to be all just like shampoos, conditioners, co-washes, and I think that was it. It was supposed to be in here. Now it's a mix of everything. Okay. Again, and then there's like a whole bin that came from my room that's just there. So I want to clear all this stuff out down till just these tiers. Right. That's the goal here today. So, if you would like to see us, I guess organize our products, sort our products, clear our product stash out, then
please keep watching.
Please keep watching. Doggy's here too to help.
You know, it's like a little distraction here.
Period. Okay. All right. So
first things first.
First things first. Okay. So this is the bin where so this has to. All right, our bathroom's kind of like small. So okay. So this is the bin. We're gonna put the products that are leaving here from. Yeah, right. And that bin that's going too. So
okay, so by the time we get to that, then this probably would be full. To push that out.
Yeah, okay. And so like these are going to like the porch.
Right. Are we gonna begin with these, or are we gonna begin with those tiers?
So here?
Yeah, well. I don't know.
Okay, I think a lot of the stuff in here is going. Okay. So this laundry basket.
All right.
So oh my gosh. Okay. Hold on. All right. It's a lot of maneuvering.
It is.
A lot of maneuvering.
That's a doggy.
Okay. And because of you, there's a lot of heights. There's a lot of different heights here.
All right.
Okay. So. Okay. I want you to be able to see the product. Okay. So here's. All right. So here we go. That's like empty.
This is empty. So this is empty.
That's an empty. Okay. This. Because it was in here and it was sticking out the side, someone like cracked the top of it. So this is the TGIN Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. The top is cracked.
Have you ever tried it?
Yeah, I've tried it. I liked it. But like I don't reach for it enough. So I feel like this can go. Okay. This is something that can go.
All right.
The hydrating shampoo I actually use to clean my makeup brushes.
Yeah, I mean, hey.
So I'm keeping this in just over there to keep it to clean the makeup brushes.
I was looking for this the other day.
I told you it was here.
Yeah, you did say it was
this
here.
Is staying.
Oh, is it? Okay.
This is staying.
Right. What we need is something to dust things off. Stuff that's staying. This is all the powder.
Yeah, stuff is actually dusty.
Okay.
Well, please. I don't even know if this is the best place for products because like it heats up.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm noticing the other day that some conditioners were getting kind of congealed looking.
These are definitely staying. My pattern styling gel and styling cream. Yeah, these are here. These are gonna stay. The Jackie's gel, yes.
We never tried this the other day at all. The what is it? Bounce Curl.
Bounce Curl. Yeah, I keep bringing that in and out of the house. I tried it when I first got my hair cut and I liked it, but I don't reach for it enough.
It's very perfumey. I noticed.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't remember
how fragrant it was.
I already have one of these, but I love these. Oh yeah, but it's but I mean it's not that bad.
Okay.
But, I like it, but I don't use it enough. These are backups, so I feel like these can go. These are backups.
They can't go because if they're gonna go, then they'll stay in my room because I gave them to you because you like them so much.
They're going out to the porch with the backup stuff.
No, I like the porch backup stuff. I like stuff.
So then they're going in your room then?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So you're taking these out of here. So maybe start a pile over there. Okay. What you're taking out of here?
And these aren't porch worthy. Porch worthy. Sometimes things get lost on the porch.
Okay. So I bought this from I think TJ Maxx. Actually it was from Sally's. Urban Hydration. The honey, it says Laid and Slayed Pro Gel.
Right, this is not working.
I didn't really
get down here.
I didn't really like this. Okay. Where did we leave off? I have no idea. All right.
Okay, so we're just picking. So I picked up WeedAd. So this is the curl immersion. This is the setting cream. Normally I use this when I'm kind of like dusting my hair just to kind of wet it a little bit.
Okay.
We have so many of these though.
Here's the lid to the TGIN. That got cracked off. Why are there so many curl mix pineapple? I feel like all this still seems to be okay. All that can
one set was yours, one set was mine.
Okay.
Here's a the custard.
The pineapple wasn't my favorite. I like the blackberry.
Yes, and I love the yeah.
This is actually still in like the box and everything.
That's the pineapple?
Yeah.
Is that brand new?
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna stick this on there. Excuse me, doggy. All right, I'm keeping all my mousses are staying. This is yours, the Curl Mix Lavender.
Yeah, I bought that in here the other day. Wait, he's got the toilet paper there.
Oh, doggy.
All right, this is that can probably go in here for now, but be careful because they leak sometimes. So just put it to the side for now.
Oh my goodness.
Because I know I always have my things to the side. All right, this is this is the Moisture Miracle curling cream.
I just bought these.
I know.
I have to think about it. I'm not ready. I don't know if I'm ready. This has to be done in levels.
Okay.
All right.
All right. What about this? Have you ever tried this? This is a mousse.
Yeah, I tried it. It was okay.
Okay.
It was okay. Yeah, it wasn't like a mousse in like that sense.
Right.
It was more like a actually it was I say mousses. Remember I said like with mousses they like when you put them in your hand they expand, but then like foams they're more like soapy. Yes. That's definitely more like a mousse. Like when you put it in your hand it like expands.
Right.
I think it's more for like volume or something.
Like last minute, like when you want the volume in your hair.
Yeah.
So it's
I don't
really
know if it's like a styler like
a section by section.
Yeah, I think I don't know if it's like a finisher or if it's, I don't know, it's for volume.
Yeah, I forgot about that as a
It was okay.
I don't, is this yours or is this mine? Because I know
I don't know, but if you want it.
I'm just going to put it to the side. Get the side.
All right, the Curl Mix Fresh Deep Conditioner, the avocado. Oh, this is the cranberry one. Oh, this was very like holiday for me. Oh, I love this around the holiday.
Well, the one smelled like spicy. Was it?
Yeah, so one was a pumpkin deep conditioner, one is cranberry. I think I'm keeping both of these in here.
Okay. All right. What about Nature's Little Secret, the flaxseed?
I haven't used that in a while.
Okay.
So let's I feel like that could move out probably.
Okay. Things with these with the pumps on them. How do you store them in here? You just
put them in there and I'll figure
Does it leak
out.
out? Okay.
No. This Bumble and Bumble was okay. Like I don't see myself actually ever using this again.
I don't either.
You never used it. Did you? Without me knowing. I mean, there's stuff in here when you take showers, so I don't know what you use. Oh, this is I used the mousse. Yeah, I did use the mousse, but it was okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so the Bumble and Bumble, the Curl Mousse, the 3-in-1 conditioner, the moisturizing shampoo, I know I definitely didn't like.
Is this the only coconut co-wash that we have? I know you love this.
It might be. So maybe that needs to be over here,
okay,
like with the shampoos and stuff.
Here's another mousse.
Oh, that's
yeah, the honey.
I want to do like a mousse series, so I need all my mousses with me.
Okay.
So here's the honey mousse, and then this is the rose water mousse.
Okay.
All my mousses.
All right. Here's the Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. Oh, a leave-in. Let me stop acting brand new with all this stuff, like because when I start saying, "Oh, that means I want to keep it in," I cannot do that. We are here to clean and declutter.
Here's Bumble and Bumble again, the gel humidity oil.
Right. So,
ooh, more mousse.
The
Camille Rose Spiked Bakuri. I forgot about that. Yeah, I think my entire shelf is just going to be mousses. Okay, probably. Most likely.
This is deep conditioner. I think I used the whole bottle like this of the shampoo for cleaning my makeup brushes.
That's a deep conditioner.
This is a deep. That's for the shampoo part.
Oh, the shampoo.
Yeah, the no sulfate one. Yeah. So, but this is a deep conditioner. It's a very good deep conditioner, but there's so many good deep conditioners. So it's got to just go for now.
Yeah, I know. Just take up space. And a mousse. Design Essentials. Almond and avocado. I'm keeping this mousse.
Yes, I love that one. All right, here we go. Here's we talked about this on Friday Night Live. The honey.
Oh, okay. I brought another one in here. Okay.
This is the honey leave-in. But at least I know where it'll be. I don't need it like out right now. I know I'm not going to reach for it anytime soon.
So the TGIN Miracle Repair X Deep Hydrating Mask.
What are you doing, silly?
Ready to go. The Deep Hydrating Mask. I'm going to keep this. I like this as a deep conditioner.
There's just a lot going on here, and it's just a lot of busyness.
Silky Souffle Setting Cream. Dad. I see all the rest of the
they're all in here.
Okay. Wait, is that the deep? No, those are all the stylers.
Yeah. What about the?
I don't need the TGIN shampoo. I don't need the curl food.
Okay. Yeah, we never figured out what the curl food was for, did we?
No. I don't need the Curl Smith, the color hair makeup right now.
Guys, who remembers this?
Curl enhancing smoothie.
I wonder if we can do anything with that.
That's always a staple. Oh, I'm keeping the TGIN Honey Miracle in here. It is, girl.
You think we should keep it out?
Yes. Okay. And I used to use it with the Bounce Curl, but I'm not really using gel right now. So the Bounce Curl.
No.
Dogginess. No. Wow. There goes the top.
So now we know who the culprit is. Those are your teeth marks. I'm taking measurements so I know in the future, so you can't run and hide and tell stories.
Oh yeah, no.
Let me smell.
It smells so good. The curl enhancing smoothie.
Yes. And this brings you back to that brand new, newly natural. Okay.
It's natural starter kit.
This goes along with the purple up there.
Okay.
Up.
Spray bottle.
Here.
All right.
Let's see.
The Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, that could go.
Flaxseed
This
gel.
is
Here's a gel.
the Fenugreek Detangling.
Watery.
Pre-poo.
What is that? The No.
No.
I don't need that.
The Flawless.
We don't have a lid to this.
Gabrielle Union Flawless. Shampoo. Co-wash. This was okay.
Some gel. You're not doing gel.
No.
Right now, right?
The honey, what is it? Urban Hydration. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil Gel. No, that can go out of here.
The Curl Refresher. Somebody used it. Did you use it or did it leak out?
Girl, I'm not sure.
Curl Refresher. All right. Rose water. Like, nothing yet has been like tossed. Like everything is good.
Wait, we're throwing stuff out?
Well, I mean, like the other day when I came across those deep conditioners, those were definitely worthy of throwing out.
What deep conditioners?
The two botanical ones that I had to throw out. Remember?
Were they old?
Yeah, I told you. I said, see, being in the bathroom with this heat and moisture and stuff, I don't think it's a good place to put all this stuff.
Fur?
Oh, just about.
We have Curl Mix hair moisturizers. One of the fresh ones.
I love this one. This was Honey's Handmade. I love this gel. See,
that's the apple gel?
Oh my gosh, it smells so... I'm keeping this
is a grapeseed conditioner. I love the grapeseed
I forgot about this. Oh, I keep that. So this is a good gel, the coconut apple.
We need to keep the grapeseed conditioners in here.
The grapeseed conditioner, okay.
The Curl Mix, the Curl Mix, the gel. This is the unscented one. I love this one.
Okay.
And then this is my moisturizer.
This is the latte from the Camille Rose leave-ins. Okay. So the honey one's there. I think the oil one, that tea one, that kind of thing, gave that away.
Eco Slay Moonshine?
Yeah. No, that can, I guess, sit in there again.
Okay.
So now we're at the organizing stage. I think which will probably call for more downsizing, but we'll just see as we go. I'm thinking I want a shelf for my leave-ins and mousses, my styling creams and gels, and then a bottom for just like refresher sprays and just like extra stylers. So that's how I'm doing. That's how I'm organizing mine.
This is my deep conditioners here. But I'm concerned about the bathroom and the water, the shower, the moisture. I'm afraid it's ruining the products. You don't think the same thing, so you will do your products accordingly. But I'm thinking that my favorite products are coming out of this bathroom. I'm afraid of them being in here in this moisture, this heat, the humidity. So I think I'm moving some of my favorite things out of here. Things to me that don't hold up well because they're so natural, like the Curl Mix things, like my apple, the new apple one that's coming out because I'm afraid this might go back. Can you get by?
Yeah, cross and back and
okay.
your legs.
Just
this.
Let me see.
All my leave-ins. Leave-in. This is a leave-in. This is an oil. It's a deep conditioner. I think I want that other pink thing again for my shampoos and conditioners.
Because it's keep to the side.
Yeah, it's just not gonna fit up here.
Yeah, because I think
oh my god, look at all my moose eyes. It's making me so happy.
all your moose eyes.
All my moose eyes.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm not really storing a whole lot because I'm just a creature of habit, so I'm using just my Curl Mix stuff, and that stuff is coming right on out of here, I think.
Gross, are you giving up shelf space?
Yeah, but I probably will give up shelf space, so.
Are you taking your stuff out of here, girl?
Yeah, my Curl Mix stuff, and that's basically what I reach for these days.
What about everything else?
It's deep conditioner and everything else. I'm just putting this here now so I can just stand up and take a count of what I have here. Put I have the oil here.
Oh, sorry, girl. Bust it.
Go ahead. A lot of hands here.
There's a lot going on.
Let's see. Yeah, so that's all that's coming out. It's going into my
Fresher
room.
spray.
This used to sit under the bathroom sink, so I think that's where this is going to go back.
Is this a leave-in?
Seem to be doing good here. Talking about my Fuji stuff here. Used to be under the bathroom sink, so then I put it on display here. It doesn't need to hold up space like that, so I think I will.
You know, I'll just keep the Design Essentials leave-in, and I'll get rid of the lotion. Because
Here's the rest of the
I
Fuji stuff
don't need
here.
both.
oh wait, this is styling cream. Sorry, styling cream. This is styling cream. Styling cream.
Fuji.
Styling cream.
So all this, this is a big old bucket of stuff. That stuff is
Yeah.
okay. Let me see.
Okay, so I think this is good as it's going to get for now. You basically cleared out your side.
I did.
All right,
did.
so I guess we'll just kind of show them what's left. You might even have to take the most of your junk because, like, this is upsetting me and my homegirls. Like, you barely have anything, so you might just have to give it to me.
I know. I probably will have to.
It's just like a waste. I don't understand.
Okay.
Okay, we'll show you what we have.
All right.
So I kept this pink thing, which has like shampoos and conditioners, and I think that's it. No, shampoos, conditioners, and co-washes. But I feel like this can maybe be downsized again and moved over here because this is what your side is looking like. Nothing here.
No.
And then you have your treatments and shampoos, conditioners here. But you said you don't like them in the bathroom, so are you moving everything out?
You know, I probably anything that means something to me, like I'm probably moving this out. That's the Curlsmith one. This because I'm afraid it's gonna go bad, and the Weed Ad one.
Okay.
MICHE, yeah. I'm afraid it's gonna go bad. So probably.
And then these are your stylers, which there's no stylers here.
Yeah. So probably my section will be no more.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I made the
So
decision.
this is LoriAnne's side. She means she has brushes and some body stuff.
Yeah.
My side's where the fun is.
Right.
I have like stacked shelves, which now you're making me nervous. Like, should I move my stuff out? But I don't have any place to put it. So I would move this whole thing out and move in my room and be busted. Like, I don't know. But this isn't bedroom decor.
No, it's not, maybe just like right outside the bathroom door, right? Like just like right
outside the bathroom door?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Right? Yeah.
Okay. So here's mine. These are all my deep conditioners that I decided to keep. Oil. These are my mousses and foams and leave-in conditioners that are staying. Pattern. Well, why don't I say pattern? Stylers, gels, styling creams and gels. And then just extra leave-ins. This line that we have to try. Left this in here. I was gonna say if you want more detailed on a more detailed showing of our shelves, then let us know. But nothing to show.
There's nothing more to show.
This is basically it. So like when people ask like what products are on our shelf, look, these at least these are the products that are on my shelf. Like this is
the stuff
a lot of the
grab
stuff
and style with.
Yeah.
But this is not stuff I grab.
You know,
the stuff is in my room that I would grab and style with.
Okay.
But
this is the bag of stuff that we got rid of, empties. We were able to downsize certain things, so not enough for a video, but we did get rid of some products that were empty or that were old.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we did a pretty good job.
I think we did.
Yeah, I mean,
we did.
Yeah, I don't know if we're like super into like buying a whole bunch of products or having like a whole bunch of products. You know, products everywhere. I like that we downsized, and I know what I like, and what I like is here.
Exactly.
You know?
And my go-to is always Curl Mix, and the things I want to try, I didn't leave here because if I don't try it, or if I do try it and I don't like it, then it's just like clutter again. So whatever I try for the day, I'll just get it, grab it, put it back if I don't like it, and if I like it, I'll keep it there.
We should definitely think about moving this to the hallway, though.
Yeah,
that might be better. That might be a better place than maybe. Would you keep your stuff in the hallway?
I might. Yeah, probably
Some
at
of
that
it?
point would keep it in the hallway.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
But I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and
we shall see you in our next video.
See you next video.
All right.
Bye.